Welcome friends to this video. Today I will show with you how you can connect n8n with a WordPress account. So friends, all you have to do, follow me on the steps. First step guys, go to n8n, click create a workflow. From here click add first step. From here search for WordPress, click this first result. Scroll down friends, click create a user. From here on the top right corner select the credentials, click create new credentials. From here you have a username, write your username on the WordPress and write your password and enter your WordPress guys sites. For example, this site, a new site, for example, click WordPress site and set up your create a site from WordPress and then copy this from here, for example this site, and click save. This is how you can do guys to connect your WordPress with your n8n. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget to give like and share this video for more content. So guys, just choose the website from here, your website in WordPress, and come and then copy this website. You can create also guys, create a post on WordPress, for example WordPress, search for WordPress, and you can create a post from here and add your titles and all the things about your post. Thanks guys for watching this.